Good morning everyone. I hope you all are completed your homework question which I gave you yesterday. Today I am going to continue the same exercise 13.2 question number 7 to 10. Okay. Now our first question number 7 is, if the base of the right angle triangle is 8 centimeter and the hypotenuse is 17 centimeter, find its area. So first of all I am going to make the figure of this question because the question is given that the triangle is right angle triangle. So first of all I am going to make one right angle triangle. So this is your right angle triangle. Okay, exercise 13.2 question number 7. Right angle triangle. This triangle is right angle triangle. Give them name. Suppose this point is A, B and C. Okay, in this right angle triangle, it is given that the base of the right angle triangle is 8 centimeter. So base is 8 centimeter and hypotenuse, the value of hypotenuse is 17 centimeter. The hypotenuse of this right angle triangle is 17 centimeter. And you have to find out area of triangle. Okay. Now we know that area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 base into height. Here base is given but height is not given. Okay. So by using Pythagoras theorem we will find out the height of this right angle triangle. We know that Pythagoras theorem. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we will find out the height. We know that hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of their other two sides. It means base and perpendicular. It means AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay. Now I am going to put the values. Here AC is 17 centimeters. So 17 square is equal to AB square. We have to find out. So we write only AB square plus BC square, which is 8 centimeter, 8 square. Now I am going to transpose this 8 square from right hand side to left hand side. So AB square is equal to 17 square minus 8 square. Because it is positive, when we will transpose it will be negative. Okay. Now we have to find out 17 square is equal to 289 minus 64. 289 and 8 square is equal to 64. Now we have to subtract. After subtracting, answer is 225. So AB square is equal to 225. But we have to find out the height. So AB, which is height of this right angle triangle, is equal to under root 225. And we know that root 225 is the root of 15. So now the height of this right angle triangle we have to find out 15 centimeters. So after finding the height of this right angle triangle, we have to find out area of right angle triangle. Okay. So area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 base into height. Okay. Now in this triangle base is 8 centimeter. 1 upon 2 into 8 into height which we have to find out, which is 15 centimeter. To put this value over there. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8 and 15 multiplied by 4, your answer will come 60 centimeters square. 60 centimeters square. Because we have to find out area, that's why we'll write unit as a centimeter square. So this is the solution of question number 7. Now I am going to start question number 8. In question number 8, in the adjoining figure. So first of all I am going to draw the figure of this question. So this is the figure of question number 8. In this figure, again this is a right angle triangle. Okay, and this is the perpendicular drawn BN from this base AC. Okay, and the exit sides of this triangle is given, which is 8 and 6 centimeter. You have to find out the height of this triangle BN. This is perpendicular. BN you have to find out. Question is perpendicular. Find the length of the perpendicular BN on the side of AC. इस साइड पे जो BN is a perpendicular, you have to find this length. So for finding out this length of this perpendicular, first of all we have to find this length AC of this triangle. Okay, and because this is right angle triangle, so in right angle triangle we know that the opposite side of right angle triangle is known as hypotenuse. It means we have to find out hypotenuse. Then we have to find out, because we know that area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. So when we will take this base and this height, so before finding this height we have to know this side of this right angle triangle. And because this is a right angle triangle, so this height, or we can say this base, is known as a hypotenuse. So first of all we'll use Pythagoras theorem to find out the base of this right angle triangle, which is AC. Okay, so by using Pythagoras theorem, and we know that Pythagoras theorem is AC square and hypotenuse square is equal to base square, it means BC square plus AB square. Put the values. BC is 8 and AB is 6 square. 8 square is 64 and 6 square is 36. When we will add, we will get 100. Okay, so AC square is equal to 100. So AC is equal to, when we will transpose this square from right hand side, it will be under root 100, and we know that root 100 is the value of 10. So AC is 10 centimeter. Okay. After this AC, we have to find out area of this triangle, and we know that area of triangle base into height. Now you can see this is your base and this is your height. Yes, in right angle triangle this perpendicular is the height of this triangle. So in triangle ABC, area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. Okay, now put the value 1 upon 2. I am going to write the base of this triangle is BC and height is AB. Okay, so after putting the value 1 upon 2, BC is 8 and height is 6. 2 4s are 8 and 6 4s are 24 centimeter, because this is area, so unit will be centimeters. Okay, now we know that this is the area of this triangle. We know that the base of this triangle, which is AC, and you have to find out the corresponding height BN of this triangle. So again, area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 base into height. Okay, area of triangle अभी आपने find out किया है, which is 24 centimeter square. So in this place we'll put the value 24 is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay, now you have to find out this corresponding height of this base AC. So the value of AC, अभी मैंने निकाली थी, AC is 10 centimeter. So AC is 10 and H you have to find height. It means BN you have to find. Okay. So 2 5s are 10, and because here 5 is in multiplication with H, so when we will transpose, we will be divided. So 24 upon divided 5 4s are 20, 4 decimal 40, 5 8s are. So your answer is 4.8 centimeter. Okay, which we have to find out in this question. So this is the solution of question number 8. Now question number 9. In question number 9, see the question is little complicated, but you have to listen carefully. In this figure, one parallelogram is there and one triangle is there. Okay, so read it carefully. In the adjoining figure, area of triangle ABE is equal to area of parallelogram ABCD. Okay, area of triangle, there are two figures. One is triangle ABE and the second one is parallelogram ABCD. Two figures are there, and it is also given that the area of triangle is equal to area of parallelogram. So first of all, I am going to write the given value of this question. In this question, given values are given है AB is equal to 10 centimeter. It means the base of this parallelogram is given and the height of this triangle is given, which is EF. EF is given, which is 16 centimeter. And one more thing is given in this question, which is EF, which is find the length where M is the midpoint of side BC. M is the midpoint of DC. M is the midpoint. M is the midpoint of DC. This line is very important. It is given that according to question, if M is the midpoint, and we know that midpoint or bisector, it means which distribute any line segment into two equal parts. So if M is the midpoint of DC and we know this is a parallelogram, so if this line AB is 10 centimeter, so DC is also 10 centimeter, because we know that in parallelogram the opposite sides are equal and parallel. So ये equal भी होंगे. If AB is 10 centimeter, then DC is also 10 centimeter. And if M is the midpoint of DC, it means DM is equal to MC. So DM is equal to MC, which is equal to 5 centimeter. It means we have to find, हमने निकाल दिया, DM is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay. Now the second point, it is given area of triangle ABE. According to question, it is given that area of triangle ABE is equal to area of parallelogram ABCD. Okay, so we know that the formula area of triangle is equal to 1/2 into base into height, and area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Now see, in this triangle ABE, the base is AB and the height is EF. So I am going to write the values 1/2 base, it means AB, and height means EF is equal to, and this parallelogram, when you will take AB as a base, then your height is GF. I will give the name, this point is G. So GF is a corresponding height of this parallelogram. Okay, so AB into GF, which you have to find out. According to your first part, you have to find the length of the altitude of the parallelogram to the base AB of length 10 centimeter. It means first part you have to find out the length of this much G to F, this parallelogram. You have to find out the corresponding height GF. Okay. Now I am going to put the values 1/2 AB. We know that 10 centimeter. EF is 16 centimeter is equal to AB again 10 centimeter, and GF we have to find out. Okay, 2 5 and 10. Now I am going to solve this. So GF is equal to GF, we have to transpose this 10 from that side. So 5 into 16 upon 10. 5 2s are 10 and 2 8s are 16. So 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter is the height, is the corresponding height of this parallelogram ABCD. This is the solution of first part. Okay, now in second part you have to find out the area of triangle AMD. You have to find out the area of triangle AMD. You have to find out area of this triangle. This triangle का area now see in this question, because M is the midpoint of this triangle, it means the area of this triangle is equal to area of this triangle. Yes? What triangle? EMC. The area of this triangle EMC is equal to area of triangle ADM. They both are equal because this M is the midpoint of this triangle. Okay. So I am going to write area of triangle ADM is equal to area of triangle EMC. Okay, so area of triangle 1 upon 2 base into height is equal to 1 upon 2 base into height. Okay, in this triangle, in the first triangle ADM, your base is, no need to write directly, you will write area of triangle A, because you have to find out ADM. Okay, now because in this triangle height is not given, but in this triangle height is given, so only you have to find the area of triangle ADM, so there is no need to write here the values. Okay, now 1 upon 2 base is mg, height is EG. Okay, mg and EG. So MC, half, base is MC and height is EG. Okay, 1 upon 2. MC, you know that because this M is the midpoint, so if DM is equal to 5, so MC is equal to also 5 centimeter. So we write 5 centimeter, and EG is the midpoint. This length is 16, the whole length is 16 centimeter. So this point is the midpoint. So ये भी आपका कितना होगा 8 centimeter. So we write 8 centimeter. Now I am going to solve this. 2 4s are 8 and 5 4s are 20 centimeter square, because you have to find out area, so that's why I am going to write the unit as a centimeter square. Okay, in question number 10, the figure is like this, and in this adjoining figure you have to find out the area of this shaded region. You have to find out the area of the shaded region. So how can we find out the area of this shaded region? Because the given values are, this is a rectangle and the length of the rectangle is given, which is 18 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeter. Okay, and one triangle is also there. In this rectangle, one triangle is inside of this rectangle. So how can we find out the shaded portion, area of the shaded portion? We have to subtract it. First of all, we have to find out the area of this rectangle and subtract it by the area of this triangle. Okay, so area of rectangle, we have to know that length into breadth. We have to find out the area of this rectangle by using this formula, and area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 base into height. Here base is not given, height is given. Okay, so first of all we will find out by using Pythagoras. We have to find out the base of this triangle, and what we can do, we have to subtract the whole area. It means the area of rectangle subtracted by area of this triangle. So I am going to solve like this. Area of triangle, area of the rectangle ABCD is equal to length into breadth. Length is 18 and breadth is 10, and both are centimeter. Centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square, 180 centimeter square. Now in this triangle, in triangle CEB, right angle triangle CEB. So by using Pythagoras theorem, by using Pythagoras theorem, okay, we know that Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is plus EB square. CB square is 10 square plus EC, it means 8 square plus EB, it means which is your base. You have to find out. So EB square is equal to 10 square minus 8 square. 10 square it means 100 minus 64, which is equal to 36. So this is the value of EB square. So EB is equal to under root 36, which is equal to 6 centimeter. So the base of this right angle triangle EB is 6 centimeter. Okay. Now what we can do, simply we have to find out the area of the shaded region. So I am going to write area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region is equal to area of this rectangle, which is 180 centimeter square, subtracted by area of this triangle, which is okay. अभी हमने फाइंड आउट नहीं किया, तो बिफोर एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड 1/2 बेस इनटू हाइट. बेस इज EB, which is 6 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. 2 4s are 8. 180 centimeter square minus 24 centimeter square. So subtract it, and after subtracting, the answer will come 156 centimeter square. So this is the solution of question number 10. So now your homework is, you will try question number 11 of this exercise 13.2. There are 2 parts and you have to try both the parts of question number 11. Thank you.